If you have a house in Reynoldsburg, Ohio, and you want to sell it fast, easily, and conveniently, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years we've been buying houses in Reynoldsburg, Ohio and around Reynoldsburg, Ohio. And when we buy houses, we buy them for cash, so we make it extremely easy and convenient because we're not relying on a bank approval, we're not relying on a certain appraisal, and we're not relying on inspections to pass or anything like that. In fact, we buy houses in their as-is condition. So I'll explain what that is. When we buy something as is, that means we buy it as it is, where it is, how it is. You don't need to fix anything before selling the property. You don't need to haul anything away. We'll take care of absolutely everything. And if there is something that you want to keep out of the property, you could have anything that you want. Anything that you don't want, you can leave behind. But we make it incredibly easy because we never rely on a bank or something like that. We're a true cash buyer when we buy houses in Reynoldsburg, Ohio. So maybe something happened in your life and now the house is creating pressure over here. Maybe something's happening over here in your life and now you have this house and you just want to sell it conveniently and easily. That's what we're here for. Maybe it could be a breakup or some kind of divorce. Maybe you're just downsizing, or maybe you need more space. Maybe your family's growing and you need a bigger home. That's what happened to me. I had twins, so we needed to get out of our smaller house and get into something bigger. Maybe the house needs work. That's very normal. We buy houses in any condition. Or maybe you're behind on a couple payments. That's perfectly okay. We work with people all the time. Maybe they're a couple payments behind. You have options. We're here to give you these options when you call us at 614-300-5151. We buy houses in Reynoldsburg, Ohio. And if you got something financial going on, that's okay. We see this stuff all the time. We've been doing this for over 14 years, and it's not something morally wrong with you. You didn't do anything wrong. We just have to help you get over this hump, and that's what we're experts at doing. Maybe selling the property is the best thing you possibly can do. We work with people all the time. We have more references and testimonials than any other company. You can find them on our website, sellhousecolumbus.com, or on our YouTube channel. You'll find us on there as well. But if you have a house in Reynoldsburg, Ohio that you just want to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, give us a call. It's a no-pressure conversation. We're just here to get to know the property better, get to know what's going on with the property, the situation, and any timeline that you might be facing. And this is very important, but it's often overlooked. Since we're a real cash buyer and we buy houses in Reynoldsburg, Ohio, we could create the timeline that's going to work best for you. So if you need something convenient for yourself, meaning if you need flexibility, if you maybe even need to stay in the house after the sale for a short amount of time while you work out your moving arrangements, we're here to accommodate that. We can talk about that with you. A traditional buyer is never going to give you the same flexibility that we can here at Sell House Columbus when we buy houses in Reynoldsburg, Ohio. Also, if you need something done quickly, we can accommodate that as well. We can close in as soon as 7 days. We work with a local title company. It's very easy. You call us, we go through your options. We're going to make you a real cash offer. It's going to be transparent. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward. We can move quickly or create flexibility if that's what you need. Or if our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We can shake hands and we can part as friends. There's never going to be any pressure or obligation. So once again, my name is Dave Payerchin. We buy houses in Reynoldsburg, Ohio, and you can pick up the phone, give us a call at 614-300-5151. I'll talk to you myself, or it'll be someone on my team, but more than likely me. I love talking to every single person. We talk to 80 to 90 people every single month. We buy numerous properties every single month, so there's no reason we can't buy yours as well, give you a very fair deal, and make you one of our satisfied references and testimonials. We have the most of anyone, so I'd love the opportunity to work with you as well. Or if you prefer, you could go online at sellhousecolumbus.com and you fill out a little form. We'll get on the phone after that. There's no pressure, like I said, very easy. We can work on your schedule and accommodate your timeline. My name is Dave Payerchin with Sell House Columbus. We buy houses in Reynoldsburg, Ohio. I look forward to working with you, and we'll see you soon.